Vedanta says very beautiful point. Vedanta says that you are not small. Your I is not small. And your I is actually very big. If your I was small, you wouldn't want to go back to big I, because you are trying to go back to your nature only. Everything goes back to what its nature is. Why I want joy? Because joy is my nature. What is not your nature, you throw out. While eating, supposing one stone has gone in your eyes. It happens. So you are eating, cut. Sometimes you are in front of so many people. But what to do? I can't take the stone, no. So you say, excuse me, I'll go to the wash basin. Then your body does not allow a foreign element to go inside. Therefore, sneezing is also good sometimes because dust is there. Through the dust you sneeze out the dust also. Coughing is there. Watering of the eyes is there. Vomiting is there. You are not wanting finiteness in I. That means infinite I is your essential nature. And therefore, but I don't know. No, you know. Sometimes you have a hearty laughter. In a day, maybe once or twice, you have a hearty laughter. You don't feel limitation at that time. There are moments where you forget that I have any problem. Our nature, Vedanta says, is not of finite I. And therefore in the deep sleep, we have experience of infinite I. Therefore, there is no limitation felt in deep sleep. When I specifically, please, I am repeating this point, is specifically addressing this wrong I to go, finite I, and bigger I to know, then that is called the sadhana of Vedanta. I hope I am not speaking something difficult. Difficult will come later on, don't worry. The difficult is also there. No, it may not be difficult. And therefore, to abide in that infinite I, you need to have some kind of prerequisite. You can't just apply in a medical college. They will say, okay, what is a prerequisite? You have to be metric. No? Then you have a certain percentage is required. You can't just apply in, you have a prerequisite. Football, supposing you want to have a football, what is it called, main playing, the match which was there. I think they have to go through the, what is that, initial? No. The teams which are there, they have to go through some league matches, then only they can be in that. India could not reach. India has not gone into that. South Africa also has been ousted now. I don't know what happened, but 2010 they were there. 2010.
2010 we had the...
but they were also a part in that.
They didn't have to qualify that.
Oh, they don't have to qualify?
No, because it was...
Oh. 20 countries are there. How many countries are there? I don't know. You can't just go there. There is a certain match, then you have to go there. To enter, you have to have a certain, even to enter the aircraft, you have to go through a certain, do you have a ticket? You have to have a ticket. He will check your, supposing you have to go to outside, then they will also check your visa. Whether your visa is there, ticket is there, visa is expiring or not. When is the they all check. When I go to India, they check my South African visa. Then only they will issue the ticket. Again, they will check. anywhere bigger entry is not possible unless you are certain qualifications are required. You cannot just go to the highest and sit there. It's not possible. You cannot go to the cockpit and sit there. You don't know flying and you are sitting in the cockpit. They won't allow you to go inside. Forget about sitting. 2 days back, Jet Airlines, it happened, they started bleeding. In the jet from Jaipur to Bombay to Jaipur route, most of the passengers have started bleeding from the ears and from their nose. And it was Jet, which is very recognized. You know why? They forgot to put the pressure. There is a certain pressure, I didn't know. So they immediately dropped the oxygen mask, which they show and nobody sees. Nobody wants to see that, and they are demonstrating unnecessarily. So boring. That if oxygen is okay, if it jumps in the water, then this is there, inside is this. Even if that happened, you can't do it because unless you practice, how can you do that? So actually, they should be asked to do that. They should be involved. Nobody, they are all leading something, And that poor air hostess is showing 2 roads that they exist, 2 here, 2 there. She is putting on, no. She has also to complete the... बेचारी क्या करे वह, हमें बड़ी दया आती है, हम कहीं बेचारी बोल रही है कोई, हम देख लेते हैं भाई ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है. So if you can't do the work unless you are qualified. Vedanta says certain qualification is required to abide in this knowledge of the self. Certain qualification is required. Achha, and there is one text called Tattvabodh, which tells about all these things. I will not go into that text verse by verse, but I will take some topics from that text so that you are not worried from that. Achha, and there some qualification is called something called Sadhan Chatushtay. 4-fold qualifications are required. Please note, if the result is not coming, it means I was not prepared. In operation also, they have a prerequisite. They just don't operate. They will say your blood pressure. If somebody's blood pressure is very high and some operation involves that, or sugar is very high, so they say, no, we cannot operate you. Sorry, you have to wait. We'll give a medicine, it comes down, then we will operate. You're not prepared to get operated. It will be risky for you to get operated. I have heard all these things. I feel to enter into the Vedantic sadhana, one needs some preparations. So this is said so that I can keep on preparing. Preparation is a continuous process. Cooking is a long process. Eating is a short process. Eating takes 5-10 minutes, but cooking can take few hours. And the crop growing is a longer process. It can take months also for the wheat to grow. So that 6-fold qualification, which is required to abide and get out of this habit of feeling small. And because I feel small, therefore I want somebody to give me identity. Therefore minus comes. Therefore various things, institutions came up. I want my son. Why? Because son gave me identity of a father. Daughter gave me identity. House gave me identity. They are all false eye stretcher. Why? After having that, again you can feel small. The same son through which I can feel big, he can do something that I feel small. And after some time I cease feeling bigger. With the wife, why? There is somebody who can say you are world for me. अच्छा लगा सुन के. Husband can say you are moon for me. So, you are moon. Acha, with craters. So the other person feels bigger because of that. And this can give me the false feeling of bigness. And this is the science behind living with relations. And when we lose somebody, which we have to, sorrow is not because I lost that identity which he had given. Actually, that is lost. So it is not Ram Nam Sat is of that person. Along with that person, there is one unseen death of my bigger identity because of that. I hope you got me. There is unseen coffin. There are two coffins. One coffin is seen one. It is 6 feet, 7 feet, I don't know what size. One coffin is going. Other is unseen coffin. Which identity he had given to me, that also has gone. अब हम क्या करें? किसके लिए जिएं? For whom to live? हम तो खत्म हो गए. Then such statements are said. I am gone. I am no one now. Yes. And world's nature is, it will take away identity slowly and slowly. This hanging to something. Please don't sit on the cardboard chair. There is a chair called cardboard chair. If you have to sit on a steel chair, take wood chair, and what people give identity, and we are enjoying that, it is a cardboard chair. Vedanta says this world, you can educate yourself from the world, you can entertain yourself from the world, and you can serve the world, but don't lean on the world. Leaning will make you fall. Getting out of this identity crisis that I experience in myself, that he has not given me the identity, or my office did not give me the identity, or in my life I couldn't do that which could give me something. This is a disease called Bhavsagar. Vedanta says you don't need identities. You are already very big. You don't need anybody to give you a small piece of I. You are already very big I. Technically it's called Brahman. Well, but how do I abide? They say you should have fourfold qualification called Sadhan Chatushtai. Please remember these terms. Slowly I am going to introduce some terms also, so that you are familiar with this word. Sadhan means qualification, Chatushtai means fourfold qualification. And in that fourfold qualification, Vivek, Vairagya, Mumukshatva and Shatka Sampatti is there. Shatka Sampatti. Vivek means discrimination, Vairag means dispassion, Mumukshat means desire for moksha, and Shatka Sampatti means inner disciplines. 4 Ds are there, don't forget that. 4 Ds. Discrimination. Discrimination is a little wrongly used word. Racial discrimination is there. Gender discrimination is there. Here discrimination is not in that terms. Here discrimination is in the right judgment. In spiritual jargon, it is meaning of right judgment between what is really and what is not there. Nitya nitya viveka anitya vastu viveka. So what is real and what is unreal? So what vivek I do? What vivek I do? Please note. Vivek, I see that anything around me is along with the DOE. What is DOE? Date of expiry. Even a life-saving drug also has expiry date. Everything here is over. It won't be for me. Nobody will be for me. Nobody is meant to give me happiness because that thing itself is lost. Please get my point. I said world is an education center. You can get entertainment, you can laugh also, and you can serve. But world is not a joy-plaking center. You will be in trouble. When I discover that this is not the solution, final solution, it won't give me the solution that I want. What I want, it won't give me because itself is not there. As you grow in the Vedantic studies, they will say that this body, which is so live, itself is mithya, is not there. Na sato vidyate bhava. Asatah bhava na vidyate. Well, this body itself is an appearance only. I am giving in short. These are very long topics. I am trying to summarize it. The other body from whom you are getting joy, that itself is not true body. Vivek is a continuous process. More continuous is the Vivek, more sharper will be your faculty of discrimination. Wrong judgment will take us to more sorrows. Whether it is the traffic driving, or whether it is the people, or whether it is your job, or whether it is the eating. Sometimes we eat, we feel, I think I should eat, I am still hungry. It happens now. After eating, I felt my judgment was wrong. I should have stopped earlier. It was a wrong judgment on my part. I think that time only I was full. Actually speaking, Maharshi Patanjali's commentary says you should have space for one roti at least. Keep little hunger alive. Little hunger. Don't fully eat. My judgment was wrong. So when judgment is there that this world is a source of joy and security, this is a wrong conviction in our mind that creates samsara. Even if I have that, please get my point. Even if I have the whole earth, and even if I have the lok of Indra, it cannot give me what I want. This is called Vivek. People think President of America must be so happy. Ask him. How the ratings come and go up and down. How much they are criticized. How many comments are around them. How many opposition parties are constantly targeting you on every issue. You are under fire. How joy will be there? I think we are happier. And other than that, you don't know who will be there after them. Na asti akrita kritena. What I want, what kind of enjoyment I want, nobody can give me. Even if somebody gives me, he cannot give me continuously. He won't be there, and even if he is there, the best of the person who is there cannot follow you at all times. Gem of a person is there. He will not be there for you on every issue. He will not follow you. Firstly, people are not gem of a person. Once I was, somebody had 2 children coming in the mission. I was dictating mail to somebody. To mother, I said, right, you have given 2 gems in the mission. Then I went to the mother after that. That person by mistake, he wrote, you have given 2 germs. So, nowadays this auto correction be very, very careful. So you have given 2 germs to the mission. I felt so embarrassed because at the end was my name. Therefore, I don't allow anybody to write unless I check it. This discrimination, more it is ruthless, impartial, straight to the point. More you do it day and night. Don't waste experiences of the world. World gives us experience to tell, hello, please note, I'm not going to give you what you want. Instead of processing that poison and using as a lifesaver, I take it without and I get disturbed. World tells, work tells, don't be after me all the time. I will create problem for you. There should come a time where you are free from the work. Therefore, if you are not free, legs can't work. Body forces you to renounce. Well, now I can't walk as fast. Now my mind is not working. Government says, okay, you retire, give chances to younger people, Don't occupy the place. There are younger people also. They should also get a job. 35 years you worked in the same office. Give chances to other person also. Vacate the place. World constantly gives us some experiences to tell. I am going. Tata. No, ruko. I am not for you. I am not for you. One person you cannot name who is for you for all the time on all issues. All of your experienced people. Which situation you can come, it has come and it has stayed. Childhood came, went away. College days came, went away. Good days came, bad days came, went away. Everything is in a fast movement and motion. You can't catch a running water. You can't catch a running wind. And we try to catch something. We say to somebody, you become a source of my joy. Do as I say. This internal, including your body is also running in this race. You have experienced your body was not as it was 20 years back. What you could digest 20 years back, today you are aware of that, I should not eat this now. As you could run faster, after 20 years you won't be able to run with that speed, if you are there. Digestion says, see, I can't digest as I was digesting in the young age. Stomach also gets old. Don't think outer body only gets. Kidney also gets cold. Bowels also get old. Huh? Bowels, when a person gets old, he can't retain in the bowels after that. So immediately you have to go to the washroom, etc. We are all on the same boat. Teeth also get old. Don't think only hairs are getting grey. Heart also gets old. Since you are born, I am constantly pumping. I am tired. And more is the age, supposing it is 100, 120, more problems, more heart problems will be there. We can't function. You are all in a spree too. They are all moving. Many people from your family had left you. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother. You lived with them, laughed with them, talked with them, ate with them, did shopping with them. This present set of people that we have, they are also in the movement. They will also move away. So this is called Vivek, which is a more continuous Vivek is more you can feel, okay, I should not be the one who should fall somewhere. Which dhatu is there? Prathak karne. To Sat Asat Vivek Vedanta is said. Time is over.